I'd say we're pretty dirty. Good luck! Today we're going to be cleaning an AEM Dryflow air filter on my Honda Fit, and to do that we're going to be using some AEM Dryflow air filter cleaner. Step 1. Remove the air filter from the intake pipe, the OE airbox, or the custom assembly. Let's take our flathead screwdriver. Unscrew that, hoping I could slide the filter off without loosening the box, the heat shield. Not too bad. Handling carefully, lightly tap off all the loose dirt and debris. I think you're supposed to do this every 6 months. It's been at least a year. I just got done shaking out any loose particulates from the air filter. It's in my engine bay, so it's fairly clean. If it was in your fender well, there would probably be a lot more loose dirt, gravel, and other types of road grime. Liberally spray cleaner onto both sides of the filter with the majority of it applied to the dirty side. Probably more than necessary, but it's been 1 year as opposed to 6 months. Allow it to soak in for 10 minutes. Do not allow it to dry on the air filter. Hey, that was exciting. Rinse off the filter element with cool or warm, not hot water from the clean side out in order to flush the dirt outside of the filter. It may be necessary to use your fingers on the hose to apply light water pressure. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until water flowing through the media is completely clear of any dirt and debris. I would say we're pretty dirty. I'm going to repeat this process at least one more time. Alright, the water looks pretty good. It's a little gray. That's from the leftover dirt from the first bucket. Shake this off. We're going to go let this air dry outside. Step 4. After rinsing, gently shake off excess water. Allow filter to dry naturally or use compressed air from 12 inches away to speed up the drying cycle. The filter should be dry or just slightly damp before reinstalling. Reinstall the filter onto the intake system or into the airbox. Follow all original instructions.